So hello everyone, myself Hers. So now today I am discussing a project that I am working on it. So my project title is AI-based electricity demand forecasting for Delhi. So for this project, uh, so first now let us discuss a problem statement. So in Delhi, it's a peak voltage is increases like in 83,000 megawatts in summer but drops 2,000 megawatts in winter. So unlike industrial states where factor stabilized demand, Delhi grids is dominated by domestic and commercial loads. So its mega key challenges like double peak demands like in afternoon after 3:30 p.m. and late night 11 p.m. Solar energy duck curve effect, power supply is abundant in the day but declines at night. Like uneven urban load growth also, some areas see massive electricity demands while other remains stable. Expensive power procurement. Slow choice power is costlier while long term round the clock RTC power is cheaper. So what is the biggest problem? So electricity distribution companies struggle to match power supply with demand, leading to unnecessary expenses and power shortages. So what is the basic solution of this? So to solve this we propose an AI powered demand forecasting model. This model will analyze historical demand, weather conditions, holidays and urban growth trends to accurate predict electricity needs in Delhi. What makes this AI model powerful? So uses historical electricity consumption data, incorporate weather conditions like temperature, humidity, wind speed, factors in public holidays, weekly trends, and real estate expansions, continuously learners and updates prediction using time series forecasting. So what will expected outcome of this? Power utilizers can anticipate demand days in advance and optimize power purchases, reducing cost and ensuring a stable electricity supply. Now after that, so what will we do next? So after we will first steps to building our AI model, which is to data collect and pre-process. So we use data from multiple resources like including electricity uses records, weather APIs, and even calendars. So key feature of extracted for AI models is like time based features, hour of the day, weekend, month, season, weather data, temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall, event based feature, public holidays, festival, government restrictions, urban growth day, population density, real estate projects. So why this is important? Cleaning and structuring the dataset improves the model accuracy and ensure meaningful predictions. After our dataset is ready, now let's choose the right AI model for forecast electricity demand. So which AI model is best for time series forecasting? So I am using like ARIMA auto regressive integrated moving average. Good for short term forecasting but struggles with complex patterns. This is the major thing in this. XGBoost extreme gradient boosting which handles missing values, complex dependencies well. LSTM long term memory network deep which also help in deep learning model specialized for sequential time series data. So now let us a comparison thing. Like in XGBoost work best with tabular electricity data. LSTM make a learns long-term dependencies and weather variations. So our final approach, make a hybrid model combining XGBoost plus LSTM for better performance. After this we will deployment and real-time dashboard. So once a trained our AI model is deployed in like we use Flash API which connect into a real-time dashboard will with dash or plotty. So what does the dashboard display? Real-time electricity demand forecast, peak hour alerts, cost-effective power purchase recommendations. So it make a cost optimization and future enhancement. This AI model not only predict electricity demand but also helps in optimizing power procurement cost. So how does it save money? Identify the cheaper time slot to buy power, reduces dependencies on expensive last minute slot wise purchase, improve renewable energy utilization like solar grid integration, like in future enhancement, adding IoT sensors for real-time electricity tracking, using reinforcement learning for automated power trading, expanding the model to predict renewable energy fluctuations. So our conclusion is that AI-based electricity demand forecasting can revolutionize power management in cities like Delhi, making them smarter and more energy efficient. What do you think about AI in energy management? Drop your thoughts in the comment. So why I am choosing like Delhi? Because there is a uneven load growth in the city. The upcoming areas are witnesses huge load growth, while the developed area are having the lower organic load growth. In addition to that, low curve in Delhi is highly peakly in nature due to the fact that most of the load is domestic and commercial load, while industrial load is minimal. Here it is may be taken note that while in other states industrial load which is 24 into 7 in nature lends stability to the overall load curve to the state. Further in Delhi agriculture load is minimal. In bigger state having considerable agricultural load, the supply on agricultural feeder is normal. Given when ample power is available at cheaper rate, especially during early morning hours and night hours, which in turn provide stability to the state transmission and distribution network, and also balance power purchase stipulation. So this is from my side of this project. Thank you.